guys, dito tayo sa Old Norse. Hindi pa tayo nakakalahati. Pahinga muna. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. Tayo sa beach. Ang daming nagsasunbathing dito mga kapadyak kabikers. Tingnan natin. Yun. Ang daming naliligo sa dagat. Kaya may bilihan din ng ice cream doon. Yun, ambulance. It's nice, isn't it? Okay. Tama na yung 2 minutes na pahinga natin mga kapadyak. Let's go. Dito tayo madadali sa pakyat, kapadyak. Sana kung sobrang bigat natin, mas kailangan natin ng power para pumidal kaysa sa mga magagaan. So pagpakyat, mas advantage yung mga magagaan kaysa yung mabibigat. Kagaya ko. We are here now in Llandudno. That's hard. Beautiful. Guys, dito na tayo sa Llandudno town center by the promenade. That's a beautiful place. It's one of the tourist spots here in North Wales. Have a look, guys. There you go. We are going to the top. That one. It's Great Orme. Yes. Sunny weather today. Lots of tourists. There you go. Ooh. It's a nice place to come here in North Wales, Llandudno. Place. Oh. Beautiful. Alright guys, going to the summit now. To the top. That's it guys, we're going to the top. It's a big challenge. Nearly there guys. The Great Orme tramway, that one. That's a Great Orme tramway. Oh, nearly the top guys. Oh, look at that, the bronze age line. 4,000-year-old tunnel. There guys. Here now guys, Great Orme. Finally. Finally here. The Great Orme. Here we are in Great Orme. We've reached the top. So we are on the top of the mountain guys. Great Orme is a nice place. It's another tourist destination here in North Wales, in Llandudno. They have, look at this, cable cars. They have cable cars guys. It's going to the bottom there. So nice. Yeah, they have restaurants here as well. That one, that massive building there. Yeah, and look at the view. Beautiful. Look at those windmills. There's lots of windmills in there. Alright guys. It's so hard coming this way with our special bike. That's our bike, guys. Help us climb up here in the mountain. So nice. Beautiful, beautiful place. Llandudno Great Orme, guys. Great Orme. Right, that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you later.